What if your friction stir welding process could run fully automatically? With StirWeld Solutions, transform your existing machining center into an automated hybrid, both machining and FSW machine, without heavy investment. No need for a dedicated cell automation. Make it simple, fast, and cost-effective. The automatic head changer can change your FSW StirWeld head like a tool in 15 seconds. Save time, reduce costs. Our solutions guarantee a return on investment in less than 3 years. Unlock an automatic data collection thanks to an intelligent human-machine interface. From analyzing your parts to series production, StirWeld supports you every step of the way for reliable automation and part conception. No matter your application, StirWeld supports you at every stage of your FSW project.